Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to updating your Canada Revenue CRA account after PR. So guys, as you can see, after obtaining permanent resident state, first guys you need to update your social insurance number, and PR you are after that you are eligible for permanent and replacing any temporary starting with 9 visit and Service Canada office with your PR card. Obtain your new once you have your permanent since contact CRA to update your to update guys, update your account information. And you can do this by calling this number 1-800-95 This is the call number guys. You can contact this call number, and after that verify your identity by providing your personal details such your name and your address and your all information guys, and to receiving any benefits. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video.